little extravagance hybrids are hot, however the 2019 Buick Encore offers a quite quiet alternative. It's charming and moderate, yet does not have a few alternatives found on others. The 2019 Buick Encore cuts a considerable lot of hybrid space from a little impression, however it does as such at a premium. It returns almost unaltered for the 2019 model year, with more rivalry than any time in recent memory. We've evaluated the Encore 5.8 out of 10. The littlest Buick handles adequately and bodes well in urban conditions, yet its little rearward seating arrangement and thin lodge lessen its allure. Presently in its 6th model year here in the United States, the Buick Encore extends styling and includes setup after an outline invigorate in 2017. The 2019 Encore is offered in base, preferred, sport touring, preferred 2, essence, and premium trims. Costs begin around $23,000 in base frame and best out around $32,000. On the base Encore, Buick fixed satellite radio, OnStar, and power highlights. Spend increasingly and the Encore gets more innovation and common luxuries, for example, an updated sound framework and warmed calfskin seats. Our cash is on the Essence trim, which includes contacts like back cross activity alarms and warmed seats. Every single trim level are accessible in front and all-wheel drive configurations. Buick offers 2 Encore motors. A 1.4-liter turbo 4 as standard while and a 1.4-liter turbo 4 with begin, stop innovation is accessible as an update on generally trims. All models get a 6-speed program transmission. Security is a territory needing change for the Encore. The 2018 model scored good and acceptable appraisals in all classifications and S testing, however was thumped for missing programmed crisis braking.